Hi, this is Kathy with EW Tompkins, Plumbing, Heating, and Cooling. Today I'm working on my computer here, and I thought I'd show you a little bit about what we've done to enhance our website. A couple things about our website. We've got our logo here, all of our social media icons. You can find us on Facebook, on Google+, you can see us on Instagram and on Twitter, even YouTube. We've been in business since 1921. Very few companies in the capital region have that kind of longevity, and we're successful because of our integrity, our competitive pricing, and the quality of the work we do. We've just been recognized by the Times Union with the best of the capital region. Very proud of that. So we do plumbing, heating, and cooling. You can see some more of our icons here on the side. We work in the capital region, and we offer our red carpet service. We're going to protect your floors because we respect our customers. So we do shoe covers and also very long 15-foot long red runners. Here's our rating on Home Advisor. A number of you are familiar with this service, and we have over 80 reviews at this point with a 4.75 rating. Couple videos. Here's our team. We have about 35 employees. Those are some of the guys. They do mechanical and also our residential and commercial plumbing. Here's some of the name brands. Everything from Zoller sub pumps to the Kohler Moen, Delta, A.O. Smith, Navion. Our services we provide. Some of the badges from the different companies that we work with. Here's our polar bear truck. Maybe you've seen that on the highway. And then we have a review of all social media here of 4.79. Again, it's almost a 5-star rating across the board between Yelp, Google, Facebook, and many others. And if you go and click on this, you will actually see a running commentary in real time of all the reviews we are getting on social media. You can see this one here has got a little Home Advisor icon. This one here is on Google. It'll tell you this one is on Yelp. So we're very transparent. We want you to know. Our reviews tell our story the best, and that's why we're pleased to put it up. So anyway, today I want to talk to you about this flashing button here. Can you see it? It says book services online. Click here. When you click here, I know a number of you late at night, you know, you want to hire somebody and you're comfortable doing it on the computer. So we decided to have very transparent menu-less pricing of our most popular plumbing services. Over here you can see our logo and our telephone numbers and our hours. And then across here it says our services. You'll see the first category that pops up is water heaters. And we've got tankless heaters. Over here we've got some electric and power vent units over here. And what we've done, here's your tankless Navion. What we've done is, say you wanted to have a 40-gallon natural gas water heater. If you clicked there, I would say to you, okay, so we can go and install a natural gas hot water heater, what's called a standard unit. It doesn't have a black blower. Up here you can see that it's just a regular flat top unit. And we will do it for $9.99. If you read further down here, you'll see that it's the installation of a new standard hot water natural gas heater purchased by the plumber, gas to gas unit, meaning we're not going to go and give you that price for something transferring from electric to natural gas because that includes a lot more piping and so forth. But if you were just taking out, plugging one in, this is the price. And it says here maybe some materials extra, disposals included. And we're not having this apply to the City of Albany because we have to go and obtain permits for the City of Albany. So if you're interested in that price, and I have to tell you that is a very good competitive price, you hit add. And then you can see that up here in the corner, we've added, you see that, 1 unit here at $9.99. Now you're not paying for this, you're just booking it, and you can get out of it. We're not taking credit cards. And then you go and hit on the bottom here, next. When I click here, it's going to bring me to a next screen. Look at this. Is this easy peasy? Choose arrival screen. See up here? Choose arrival screen. And what we do is we coordinate this with our schedule in the office, and it says that on Tuesday the 12th, we could book one on 10 o'clock. On Wednesday, we could, can't do it at there because it says it's not available. On Thursday, if you wanted an early morning slot, we could do 8 to 10. So you could go say, wow, that works for me. And you could click on it. And then hit the next button down the bottom. And then what it basically does here, it's going to ask in this line for you to put your name, your address, all the information you'd give us anyway, and your email, and your mobile phone. Why we like mobile phones is we're the only ones in the capital region that actually give you a text with your plumber's picture on it. We want you to feel secure about the person who's coming to your door. So you will get a confirmation email with the plumber's picture on it saying that Jim or James or Joe might be coming, maybe Howie coming to your door. It reverberates again, says what's happening, and then basically you're going to go and click down here where it says confirm. That immediately will generate a message to you and a message to us that you're interested in that water heater. Now if I go back and click that button again, you'll notice that we have a lot of your typical plumbing services. We've got water heaters. If you scroll down, we've got drain cleaning. We offer 3 levels of drain cleaning based on the type of machine used. These are expensive pieces of equipment, and so we do charge based on the expense of the equipment and whether or not 1 or 2 guys are lugging in. And then we've got toilets. You buy it and we install it. Maybe you need a new filler flapper valve assembly, or maybe your shutoff installation is seized up on you. Then we've got sinks. Customer is supplying it. It's a 1 sink, a 2 sink, or maybe you've got a leak underneath the sink. Faucets. A customer provided faucet or a multi-hole customer faucet. Going down, we've got garbage disposals, outdoor spigots, a sub pump. Maybe you need a new sub pump. We like to use the Zoller units. Water filtration, we get involved with Culligan. Washing machine hoses, always a good idea because that's going to be your biggest, represents an opportunity for it to be the biggest flood in your house if you have bad washing machine hoses. When you get a new washing machine, try to replace those hoses. And then a plumbing inspection, a dishwasher hookup, maybe a restaurant you need a grease trap cleaning. Backflow preventer testing, we have a license to do that. And then down here, a custom request. Maybe it's something that we don't know what you need. Maybe it's something that's outside the perimeters. Well, you can go and write something up there and let us know that you need something. So again, we are trying to make your life easier and to save you time and save you money. And we feel that offering transparent pricing on our website where you can click and book serves the customer. We're very happy to be celebrating our 97th year here in the Capital Region, and we want to be your plumber. If you have any questions at all, please contact our office at 518-462-6577, and you can speak to our customer care reps. We hope to be talking to you soon. Thanks so much for listening. Have a good day.